everyone, I'm Priyanka Makijani Oberoi and I'm back with this beautiful floral look full of girls' favorite colors. In this video, you're going to learn how to nicely blend colors into each other so that it looks a perfect eye makeup. Before we start the tutorial, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. Starting my look with sculpting and shading my brows with Anastasia Brow Gel, I make outline first and then fill inside and comb it later on to blend the product. Yes, a perfect eyebrow makes a lot of difference. Now I'll start concealing my eyelid area with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really wanted to talk about this beautiful eye makeup palette which has become my favorite these days, which is Carnival palette from BPerfect Cosmetics. I'm using two colors, one is Makeup and Pep Talk to make my transition shade. Transition shade I'm applying a little bit above my crease line. And now I'll be making my crease with this color Wasted. Softly holding my brush and blending it to and fro. Basically, we are trying to make my crease edge free. Now mixing these two colors, Purplish and Grape Pop from Morphe 35V palette and merging with my crease and outer V. Taking gel liner from Maybelline and making an outer V with a pencil brush from PAC Cosmetics. And for blending this outer V, I'm again taking this purple color Wasted and blending in my crease and outer V. Look at the way the color is coming out post blending. Blending is the key, guys. More you blend, more beautiful it looks. Taking some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to put it on my eyelid so that it looks clean before we apply any color. Now putting this color Orchid on the eyelid. It gives a very nice shiny light purple shade. Now taking these two colors, Wasted and Funky from Carnival palette and putting this to blend my eyelid color and outer V. Now using this Kiko Milano pencil number 13 on my upper lash line and then blending it to give a nice smudged effect. Using same pencil on my waterline and smudging it with the color Wasted from Carnival palette. Using Pink Me color on my inner corner to give a nice highlighted effect. Using my favorite lashes from Beautylicious. And finishing my look with soft pink lipstick from Milani. Hope you like this look, guys, and before you leave, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lots of love, guys. See you again.